Good day, class. Today we are working on lesson 3.6, which looks like this. I'm going to kind of go through the steps you should have received in your email. For some of you, you were creating it from scratch. Others might have received a template that was set up. So your elements for lesson 3.6, the line graph, is going to have an image inserted, and it's going to have a line graph with data points, with data labels. So to do that, initially we're going to go to the file. I'm going to kind of guide you from the beginning, and I'm going to get rid of this and make sure that it didn't exist. Okay, so first we're going to insert an image. I'm going to go over the different ways that you can insert an image. We're going to go here first to the submenu insert, and we're going to look for the word image. Now there are two choices that it gives you. You want to select image over cells, this one, because it's going to put the picture big on your document. If you chose this one, this is what's going to wind up happening. And I'm just going to go ahead to the Google search, and I'm going to type in Apple just so you can kind of get an idea. And let's say I chose that one and hit insert. When you chose in cells, it pastes it inside of the box. That's not what we want. So we will go back here, insert, image, image over cells. That's the correct one that we want. I'll go to the Google image search, and then I could type sports. So if I want to type sports and just choose an image, doesn't matter which one comes up. Let's say I got this one. And then I look for the word insert and hit insert. The picture pops up. I click on it, get the little box around it, and I'll move it to the side. Now, where it says your name and class, you see my name and class is already there. Okay. And it should have a title, MS 113 Athletic Event Attendance. It might have had a different school's name. You can feel free to change the name of that. You could change the names of the sports, but the years and all that stuff have to stay the same. Once you have everything that you need and you put the image there, if I hold down the shift key and highlight from cell address A3 all the way to cell address F7, as in Frank, then I'm going to go back to the word insert, and I'm going to scroll down to the word chart. When it's selected, I'm going to go over here and make sure under chart type that line chart is selected. Then also under the word customize, as I'm hovering my mouse on the customize, I'm going to scroll down to the word series. And under the word series, I'm going to scroll down till I see the word data labels. When I see data labels, click on it, add the labels, then hit share and send it to Mr. Wins for grading purposes. And then you hit send. And that's how you make the line graph for lesson 3.6.